This is Team 16's prototype. This home page is the first page you see once you log into our LMS. The first thing you notice is that this student is taking two courses, Swen303 and Engineering 302. Straight away, you should be able to see the most important information, when the person's lectures is, and their lecturer. Below that, there is three icons. These are quick links. They take you to announcements, grades, and forum. You may have also noticed the little bubbles surrounding these icons. These are the new notifications. This person has 3 new announcements and 1 new grade. This left-hand bar is our main source of navigation. It stays constant no matter where you are in our LMS. This was a key feature for the team because most learning management systems have very poor and hard to understand navigation. To access a course's information, all you need to do is click on that course. This takes you to that course's specific homepage, where there is now a brand new sub-menu. This sub-menu is how you navigate from within the course. Moving forward to our announcements page, you'll notice up the top here we have our breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs menu shows the user the hierarchy of pages they've been through to get to the current page. By using this type of menu, the user will never get lost down a rabbit hole of pages, and will always be able to backtrack through their pages intuitively. This breadcrumb appears across all non-root level hierarchy pages. We use this breadcrumb on all of these pages to make the feature consistent across the website, so the user knows they'll always be able to use this feature quickly and efficiently. The announcement section in this LMS takes steps to help find students the material they desire as quickly as possible. You'll notice the new notification dot. These are displayed as little orange dots to the left of the announcement title. As the name suggests, they highlight this is a new announcement and that the student has not seen it. Another notable component are these tags. Each tag is colored with an ellipse, with some text in the middle. With tags, a student could instantly find what they require. This sort by drop-down box here can sort through these tags, so if there's an urgent notification, you can find it fast. I will now take you through the rest of the course information. You can check your grades. You can download or submit an assignment. You can take a quiz. This quiz has multiple safety checks to make sure that you're ready to begin and that you're ready to finish. You can check resources, whether that be lecture notes or anything like that. You can go on the forum. The forum is a very good place to ask questions and get help on assignments. Clicking on a forum post will take you to the more in-depth conversation where you can reply to the person. And you can give your lecturer feedback. This feedback is sent straight to the lecturer and they will see it as soon as you are finished. And all of this will be the same no matter what course you're on. All your courses will have this information. You may have noticed this help button down the bottom. This is if the user ever gets stuck and is not sure what to do, they can click on it and find some information. The last feature of the student LMS that I wish to show you is the calendar. The calendar is automatically populated with all of their important events. The student can also add their individual event with things such as repeat weekly or every day active. Moving on to the lecturer prototype. The lecturer has the same navigation system that the students do, but they have some unique stuff, like their feedback. They can view their feedback in their announcements. They can create a new announcements with those tags that I talked about with the color code, and you can manage assignments. This includes editing an assignment, adding an assignment, and grading an assignment. When it comes to grading, you can enter the total score here and it will populate them all. Then just enter the student's score and the letter grade will automatically be populated. This is Team 16's wireframe. As you can see, it is very bare bones, but it was mainly to figure out our key decisions, which were our navigation. As you can see when I click course homepage, it still has that left-hand side bar and the sub-menus. These were the most important things when it comes to our learning management system, and this is what we were mocking when we did our wireframe. The big difference between our wireframe and our prototype was the content that is within the pages. On our wireframe, we only created bare bones announcements and grades page. None of the other pages had anything. This allowed us to have freedom when it came to implementing and creating things for our prototype, but the main key decision of the navigation was already created from the wireframe.